Welcome the our channel. Today we how to set up Sonos speaker system, beginner guide step by step clearly. Unbox your Sonos speaker system and lay out all components. Identify the speaker model you are setting up. Plug the speaker into a power source using the provided power cable. Wait for the speaker to power on, which usually takes a few seconds. Download the Sonos app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the Sonos app once it's installed. Create a Sonos account or log in if you already have one. Select Set up a new system from the home screen of the app. The app will guide you to connect the speaker via Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Follow the prompts to select your speaker type. If you choose Wi-Fi, ensure your mobile device is connected to the same network. The app will scan for available speakers. Once detected, your speaker will appear on the screen. Tap on the speaker to connect. The app may prompt you to update the speaker's firmware. Follow the instructions if needed. After the update, the app will ask you to name your speaker. Choose a name that helps you identify its location. Adjust any audio settings, like TruePlay tuning, if your model supports it. The app will guide you to add music services or streaming platforms. Connect your preferred services by logging into each one. Explore the app's interface to find your music library and playlists. Test the speaker by playing a song or podcast. Adjust volume and other settings to your liking. If you have multiple Sonos speakers, repeat the setup for each one. Group speakers in the app for synchronized playback. Enjoy your newly set up Sonos speaker system. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.